Hi, I'm Tyler Munson, Product Manager here at Virnig Manufacturing in Rice, Minnesota. Today I'm going to discuss why our broom is the best in the industry. Before this broom, you either had to store the water on top of the attachment or on the loader. With the tank on the loader, you can't see how much water is left, you reduce your overhead clearance, and they're difficult to install and remove. Placing a tank on top of a broom will negatively affect the view of your work area. By building the tank into the bucket, operators get max visibility and it's protected. Other tanks are much smaller, which means you have to refill more often. Our 55-gallon tank leads the industry in capacity and helps keep you sweeping instead of refilling. You can't see through some competitor tanks, making it difficult to know when you need to refill. Our translucent tank, coupled with these capacity indicators, allow you to see how much water is left in the tank. This is a pressurized pump system with an adjustable regulator to control the water pressure coming from the nozzles. Our brooms use direct drive Eaton motors, which offer superior performance and longevity. Our motor is also bidirectional, which allows you to sweep in either direction. Other motors are completely exposed on the outside of the frame and may not be guarded. Our motor is recessed into the frame about 4 inches, which makes it less likely to run into obstructions. The motor is also guarded where it matters with 1/4-inch steel. The main wear point is the bottom, so you can sweep as close to curbs as possible without worrying about damaging the motor. Pressure relief valves are easy to access since they're located here. These valves help provide some cushion in the hydraulic system for when operators are constantly switching the rotation of the wafers. They prevent seals and other components from getting damaged. Our broom features a 2-inch diameter bearing built to withstand heavy use. It's bigger than most others in the market, and you're going to get a lot more production out of it versus other smaller bearings. A common issue we see with other brooms is they use a bolt and nut to set the hood height. They're a huge pain because they may strip or seize up over time, they're difficult to adjust evenly on both sides, and you need tools to adjust them in the field. Our pin adjustment system saves time by allowing the operator to quickly set hood height up or down depending on the bristle engagement you're looking for with your sweep. The broom is equipped with alternating poly and wire wafers, which are the best all-around option for most jobs. The wire is used to cut through debris, and the poly is used to lift the material. The gutter brush option increases cleaning width by 12 inches and allows you to sweep next to curbs and buildings. It can be installed on either side and stored up and out of the way when not in use. When dumping, these hard stops will hit the formed edge on top of the bucket, which is much stronger than competitor brooms designs, where the impact will go to the hood instead of the bucket. A strong hinge design is essential because operators will need to dump the bucket hundreds of times. Now let's talk about the bucket. Others will use a lightweight bucket built with lower grade steel. Our brooms use a bucket compared to our heavily built V50 series dirt bucket. There's a weld-on edge as well as a bolt-on edge to double its life. Not only is our broom premium quality, it's easy to maintain as well. If you have a question, please post it in the comments below.
Like and subscribe.
Smack the subscribe button.
Ring that little bell.